guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am so excited to share with you what I just bought today. I bought this mold multifunctional set. I can't wait to make my delicious biscuits using this, or maybe scones. I'm so excited. It's going to be fun in the kitchen. I can't wait to make baking fun. So I'm just going to use my scissor so that I show you what's inside. I love these are the little things that we need to enjoy in life. This is so little, but I've been wanting to get this. Now I have it and I'm so happy. I can't wait to make more baking fun. It's so small, guys. Please don't laugh at me. It's so small, but I still love these things here. These tiny little metal baking beautiful things. Look at this. I don't know what that is. We have a star here. We have 3 stars, the bigger one, the medium one, and the small one. And then we have the round ones. This one for sure I'm going to use to make my scones using it. Same as the star ones, we have the bigger one and the medium one, and then we have these ones here. You know what, guys, I'm so excited. I'm going to make sure that I'm going to make scones for Christmas. I'm going to make my ginger biscuits with these ones. We still have the bigger one and the medium one and the small one too. And ooh, look at this one, ginger biscuits. Here we come. Christmas. Wow, Easter holidays, Easter. I'm so excited to make my baking in the kitchen. It's going to be so fun. And you know what? I think I'm gonna enjoy making this with my niece and cousins and my daughter. You know, this is always fun when you with your tiny babies, kids playing around with dough. And yeah, guys, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, like, share the video for me, and please, guys, don't forget to press that notification bell. And see you in my next video. Love you guys. God bless you.